Seeing the X3D Audio 17 DLL runtime error mid-game. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist, and I've diagnosed the fix to keep your gaming session stable. This DLL file is a DirectX library that handles 3D spatial audio positioning. It allows developers to place sound sources in 3D space, creating immersive surround sound experiences in games and virtual reality simulations. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. This error usually means a required graphics runtime file such as the X3D Audio 17 DLL is missing. Use the official Microsoft DirectX End-User Runtime installer to restore legacy DirectX libraries, followed by a GPU driver update if needed. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered the X3D Audio 17 component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Warning: many online repositories provide versions of the X3D Audio 17 DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally malicious. Trusting these sources puts your privacy at risk and often fails to solve the original error. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. Instead of manual troubleshooting, you can automate for professional-grade stability. Click the link below for the essential maintenance and repair kit to manage the X3D Audio 17 references safely. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching DirectX End-User Runtime today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.